All right, guys, totally buenos dias to another traveling Costa Rica video. Can you guess where we are today? Can you guess where we are today, guys? We're in Jaco. We're in Jaco, Costa Rica. We're going to be doing a driving tour, driving on the Moto. We're going to go down into Jaco there. There's Jaco. Going to mount up on the chariot right there. Look at this. Just an absolute workhorse. Just a dog. Just a dog. Mounted up, guys. Let's check out this spot real quick, though. Let's check out the sign in Jaco. There you go. Some animals on there. Some bird thing, monkey, sloth, macaw. Those are the Imperial, the TIE fighters. Flying around, doing their thing. This is a cool lookout right here. It's a cool lookout. You can see it all of Jaco. Very popular spot if you're coming to Jaco for vacation. There's some vendors here, like snow cones and stuff like that. That's cool. So I think what we'll do is we'll do a full Jaco tour on the Moto. We'll stop at this beach right up here, and then we'll go through town and go to that beach over there. Now, before we begin, let's talk about how to get to Jaco. So if your vacation brings you to Jaco, you'll probably fly into the San José airport right in the middle of Costa Rica, get your airport transfer rental car or red sports car and start driving west towards the Pacific coast. You'll turn south. It's a pretty short drive. You'll drive over the Crocodile Bridge and quickly arrive right there in Jaco. All right, guys, we made it. As you can see, it's a little bit more dark out right now here at the beach. That is because the chariot got a flat tire. How's it looking now, though? I managed to get it fixed. I found a place to get it fixed. The mirador where this video started is right up there, just to reference it. So we're going to jump on. We're going to do the helmet cam and basically drive down through Jaco. There's the beach. A lot of people surfing down here. This is the easy end of the beach. The waves are smaller here. Now, the beaches here in Jaco are not as nice as some of the other places in Costa Rica in terms of water clarity, but this is the calmer end, so it's nicer for swimming. If you're going to go surfing, we'll go down to a beach down there and check that out. But let's get on the bike and start riding. Okie dokie, with a new tire. Here we go. Here we go. Let's see how this works. So, guys, this is kind of like a parking area down here at this end of the beach. See, there's watching right here. People watch your car for money. Now, guys, something to know is if you come down this way, there's actually a public shower right there, right at the end of the road, so you can rinse off. Guys, if you're liking this new format for these videos, let me know in the comments. Give me a comment if you're digging it. I could keep doing videos like this, just driving around places with the helmet cam, assuming I don't keep blowing tires. I mean, I'm getting at my wit's end. This is like the 5th tire I've blown on this thing in the last month or 2 months or something. I'm kind of losing my mind here. Now, when I first came to Costa Rica, I stayed in Jaco for 3 months. And I stayed at a place right over here on the left. We're going to drive by it, see it. I'm trying to go nice and slow so you guys can see things. If you're staying here, your accommodations are around here. There's Villas Colorada. I stayed right here in this one. What's it called? I forget what it's called. It was nice. It's a nice place. Nice place. Nice people. It's a little tiny condo. These ones I think are new since I was staying here. And then look at this condo here. All this like real estate going up. Big developments going in Jaco. Seems to be getting busier and busier. And definitely like the road is in better condition from when I first got here. What's this called? Selva Coral, okay. Very nice. So this is the beach road that runs along the beach. It's the beach road that runs along the beach. That's correct. It runs parallel with the beach. So there's a lot of accommodations here. There's some hotels and stuff like that around here. And this is a road that goes down to the beach. So there's like roads that kind of go down to the beach here and there. There's another road right here, guys, to go down to the beach. Now, the one thing about staying at this end of Jaco is at night, if you're walking along this road, that sidewalk is, I think, fairly newish. Well, I used to have to like walk along here in the night, and it was kind of sketch. Look at this condo though; these are nice, very very nice. I don't know. I think that's there's a whole development back there. Guys, if you want links for the stuff that I recommend carrying on a trip to Jaco, check the description below. These gloves, I'll link these gloves, mechanics impact gloves. I use these for a lot of things. I use a securable backpack, a locking backpack. Among other things, check that out. And check out the blog too at sightsandsounds.co. That's the blog where I write about this stuff. Now up here, guys, up here, what do we got here? I'm a bit of a gym guy. And there's a gym. Where's the gym? Oh, did we pass it? I think we passed the gym. That's crazy. That's crazy. I'm going to turn around. To show you guys where the gym's at, because this is my favorite gym in Jaco. I think I've been to all the gyms in Jaco. I'm going to go back here real quick. I'm doing this live. Yeah, that's why I went by it. It's closed. It's closed up. Because we're here on a Sunday. I'm pretty sure they close at like 2 p.m. or something on a Sunday. So this is Beachbody Gym right here. And it's like pretty big, dude. And like they got a lot of good equipment and stuff like that. So that's what you're looking for. They used to be in a different place in Jaco. And now they're here down by the beach. That's dope. Now let's go through downtown Jaco. I guess this has turned into a night video. Everybody wants to know what Jaco looks like at night. There's a restaurant here and a hotel. I've stayed there before. It was okay. It was all right. Now, guys, we've done a lot of videos in Jaco and the different areas. Kind of this video could put them all together. So if you want to see other videos, let me know. I did another video, the last one, and we started right up here at a little fruit market. That was a fun one, and then we walked along the road here to the beach. This is cool. There's a pizza shop right here. Now this road goes up to the main highway, so if you go down here, you'll be at the main highway. And man, what are we doing? We're doing traffic. That's the go. I mean, we're a go here, guys. We're a go. We're good. We're green for lunch. Gotta stay green. You know what I mean? All right, now we're getting into the downtown area. So that area that we were just in down there, there's a lot of accommodations and stuff like that. But this is where, if you're coming to Jaco, you probably spend most of your time. Down here, there's another gym up there. The entrance is like one of these doors, I think. It was kind of difficult. There's a nice restaurant right here that I go to. I think they're open like very late hours. That's like drunky food. Now this area right here is Jaco Walk. It's like a nice high-end shopping area. Give you a little peekaboo there. Trying to drive slow so you guys can see what it all looks like. And there's a lot of nice restaurants in there too. And look, they got like a fountain thing where there's like a stream of water going over you. You know what I mean? If you're into that, right? If you're into streams of water going over your head, check that out. So there's restaurants here. What's up? They got like big old hamburgers there, I think. I think they do big old hamburgers in that place. What's going on down here? I don't know what time it is, guys. I just know, I know that my tire got fixed, and I know now it's dark. It's kind of the theme of my life. It's chaos. Here's Mascota Menos. That's probably the most accessible grocery store that's in downtown Jaco. It's like a Walmart grocery store, so you can expect like Walmart prices in there. What's going on here? There's the smoke shop, but I'm all tobaccoed up. I'm all nicotined up. I don't need to stop there right now. What else is going on? Guys, we've done walking tours down here, so check the channel if you want to see like other videos, you know, slower pace, kind of looking around and stuff. There's a convenience store right here in this corner. They have coffee. Therefore, I am a slave to that convenience store. Guys, Pizza Pata is right here. Pizza Pata probably has the best pizza around. Rebellissimo, they have like ice cream, which I don't eat, but they have coffee, which I do eat. I eat a lot of coffee, you know what I'm saying? And they got pretty good coffee. Now, it's interesting too, because like after COVID, there was a lot of things shut down up here, like I remember. And now there's like all these storefronts are open and they seem to be kind of newer. There's Ecstasy. I don't even think they're open yet. I haven't been there. How was Ecstasy, guys? Let me know if you've been there. I don't really drink. I don't party, so I don't know. But that's what people usually come to Jaco for, I think. I'm just like an anomaly. Now, there's another gym up there, which coincidentally is right beside the KFC. An interesting juxtapose. Look at this, more buildings going up. I don't know what that is. It looks like something big. Something big's going in there. There's actually a supermarket in there too. I think it's a Mega Super. Sorry to look really quick. So here's a nice little park area. I'm gonna kind of pull over and do a drive-by. I'm not gonna say what I thought I was gonna say. A drive-by filming. Because I don't want to get flagged, you know what I mean? But we're shooting video. So there's a nice little park. You can go for a walk. Right? Very cool. And there's a kids thing over there with slides. I say kids, I'll do it if nobody's around looking at me. I would 100% go on a slide. I don't care. Now look at all down here. This is all commercial stuff. All right. Now, I gotta find the entrance over to the beach. I think it's just up here. It's been a while since I came down here. Look at these condos, though. Those condos over there were there before. This condo, I think, is brand new. What's it called? Here, I'll get some information for you guys in case you want to buy a condo in Jaco. Bajo Jaco. Both magnetic and unique. I'm a little magnetic myself. There's a casino here, guys. And this is a hotel. This is the Best Western right here. This is the Best Western. Look at this, another condo going up. We've got another condo development going in Jaco. It's just crazy, the amount of development. But like, Jaco's a pretty cool town. A lot of people bash on Jaco and they say it's not nice. And like, no, I don't know. It's all relative, right? Like, it's all relative, I guess, to what you like. I mean, I judge towns based on the gyms they have. But some people do it based on, like, quietness or, I don't know, food. I don't know. You know what I'm saying? We're going to turn left here after that little rant. There's another road that goes up to the highway right there. There's a gas station at the end of that road as well. What's going on down here? What do we got down here? Another development. Look at this. Look at this. Cranes up. Wow, that's crazy. That shit's incredible. Two new buildings. Beachfront. That's wild. That's wild. A lot of capital being invested here in Jaco, it seems. A lot of positions long. Now, where can I go here? Here's a little parking area. I've come down here a lot before. Let's go down to the right side here. Let's go see what's going on down here. Oh, look at this. What is this? Is like a hotel or something. Wow. That's nice. Clarita's restaurant. It looks super nice. Looks super nice, guys. I eat cat food though. I'm gonna park right here beside this chariot. Let's go walk down and look at the beach. So yeah, that's like new, I think, man. That's definitely newer than when I was here last. I think even this pathway going along the beach was not there. Last time I was out here, I was doing like some fartlek training along here, and it was like not this clean. I recall there being rocks everywhere. Look at the sky too, though. I mean, as I tell you about my workout that I had 3 years ago, there's the sky. Very nice, very nice. And this is like really sandy, and it looks like, I don't know if they pull machines across here to clean this. There's some more big condos there. Those might be like hotels or condos or something over there. There's still people down here chilling, but you can see there's less people, right? Less people, more horse-eyed, right? There's some horses. You can rent horses around Jaco and do a sunset romantic walk thing. Okay, guys, so I hope you enjoyed that moto tour in Jaco. As always, hit like on YouTube, subscribe if you haven't, leave me a comment, let me know where you're watching from, let me know your plans. Have you been to Jaco? Where should I go next in Costa Rica? On the moto, assuming we don't blow another tire. Thanks for watching. Bye now.